Even though right now is a really challenging time for all of us, I want you to hold on to hope.
We have a great opportunity to reimagine the future of education.
Moving forward, I'm really thinking I have to be more intentional about weaving in these tools.
These can enhance my teaching.
School is a place where we can provide some equitable opportunities.
What I also envision is students taking ownership and agency through technology.
I was just amazed of how the community came together real quick.
We're part of a community and you don't let other community members sink. You just don't do that.
It is a sweet spot, really, to blend education with technology.
Students and teachers alike, we are going to reimagine and rebuild what education can be.
It's probably not normal, but we can make it into the new normal.
You can see the rallying, you can see the unity.
Keep on breathing, keep on smiling.
We're going to have a better way to succeed.
We're going to stay connected.
Take virtual field trips.
It's not just learning the same way and learning the same thing.
We're going to be a better school because we've learned from this.
I feel empowered to continue my educational career.
It's just seeing the bright side of the future all the time, because that's what warms you up and that's what brings the positivity out.
And we're going to continue to dream big and support you to achieve your dreams so that when you become an adult, you can support someone else with theirs. Yeah.